This is the math behind my view count, and I have roughly 4,300 views, and I have some good news. My video get me 100 likes. It's the most viewed at 162 views as of now, and it's gonna probably keep on going. And yeah, did that in just 2 days. And yes, it's had 2 jumps in views. Anyway, I want to talk about my view count. So it turns out that this is roughly equal to 5 to the power of 5. So my view count on all videos, it's roughly equal to 5 to the second tetration. And of course, tetration grows awfully fast. So for example, if you were to put 3 tetrated to 4, it's going to be massive. But first, let's show 3 tetrated to 3. It's actually a tower of 3 threes. This is 27. And of course, this is roughly, and it turns out that this is roughly the human population times 900. However, what if you take that number? However, what if you do this? Well, of course, if you want to take a look at, it turns out that this number does grow, that tetration grows awfully fast. Well, I can give you a slight answer, because this is roughly the amount of possible human cell positions. Of course, it's a bit bigger than this, but I wanted to give you a rough estimate. And also, my view count could also be written as 4.3 times 10 to the power of 3 views. Or actually, that's not cool, but 4.3 E3. And yes, if you might be wondering, but doesn't E equal 2.7182? Yes, I know, but this is a capital. P.S. that capital E equal, but that means exponent, not the actual math term E. Or Euler's number. And if you raise 10 to the power of my view count, you'll get a number that is 4,301 digits long. And this is the alien that we would get if you raise 10 to the power of my view count. 10 duodrigon to centimillennium. However, the amount of orders that my video could have watched in, it's 2 to the 4,300, or this number. Roughly 26 trillion quadrillion centillion, or 2.68. I did have 10 to the 1,020. And also, the reason why this is so significant is now that I have a view count bigger than this number. Okay, what's special is actually have a view count, bigger than this. This equals 4,096. And I have a view count a bit bigger than this, about 204 more. So yes, it's of course a good milestone. And yeah, it turns out that apparently you could also write this down as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. So you can put 2 to the power of 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 2 cubed. Anyway, let's say, what if my random videos got to 50 views? Yeah, and let's say you were able to get to so many views, like, I don't know, 10 billion, like Baby Shark has it, that you have the option to represent it in scientific notation. So, for example, this would be 1 times 10 to the power of 10, or just 10 to the power of 10. And also, how tetration works is that apparently it's also repeated exponentiation. So yeah. So, for example, if you chose a really big number like Deku, or 10 tetrated to 10, this is the result that you would get. Apparently, it's a number so big that I can't even begin to describe it in a way. And apparently, it turns out that the rough estimate chance for the actual universe to end, it is 1 in this chance. Or 1 in 1 tridecalogue. Or 1 in 10 tetrated to 13. I did get that one specific source of information from number 1. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if it's going to be entirely correct because time could just end at any minute now. And unfortunately, we can't confirm this, but they did say it was due to quantum fluctuations and other issues. Anyway, it turns out that I'm done.